Hello, how are you? I hope you're fine. So today I was thinking about a solution that I'm implementing right now. I'm very most of the time lazy to just go through my Gmail account and check whatever inside. So I created an AI model that will an AI agent actually that will allow me to do a lot of basic operations with my email. For example, it's AI based actually is very because most of the time it's very difficult for AI to be able to request to APIs. Such AI is almost, I don't know, not here for now. But there are some models that can do. But the most of the nowadays, like for example, if you want to make AI requested endpoint operations, you need to build something like that. For example, in this solution, I'm able to connect with my Gmail account. Let me check first. Let me check the servers. Yep, good. Oh, so why is this showing forever? Okay, something that I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe the internet connection can be the problem. Okay, so we are going to we are going to log in with Gmail, and we'll be able to do some operation like tell the AI, give me my last received email, give me something like, for example, let's do that. Give me my last received email. Yeah, this is not a 100% solution. You need to know that because this is a solution based on logics of thinking. AI takes incremental. You said so. No, in a phone, but that doesn't make sense. So we can try to see what was the problem. You can see that the command that the AI passes is the command retrieve command with this param, and we can check it actually because I created a system where maybe if there is somebody even better in machine learning, I'm not the best in machine learning. um, so yeah, if somebody can it's possible actually. So but I will leave this in my GitHub repo. You can take it and see what you can make best out of it, or yeah, if it's interesting. For example, those are some commands actually right now, and those commands are interpreted by the AI here. So, for example, we tell the AI what are the possible commands that it can give away, and it's like it's a chain of command that the AI takes place. For example, if the user said that find me the email that contains this user email and then delete it. So the first command is gonna run is first the retrieve command and after the delete command. That's how I make sure this will happen. And I thanks Grok.com for providing me the API key. Very, very, very grateful to them, Grok.com. And yes, also for the community for providing some packages, very well done packages for, and also the Next.js community for their support. So yes, so like for example, I don't know, give me the email containing Obula. Uh, Even my last received email is not too much of a, yeah, you see. Oh, because I ran it two times. Two times I executed the command. I hope that the okay, you see that this was something. The bodies, I don't know what's happening to the bodies. I'm gonna fix the bodies right now. We need to fix, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'll come back to you when I fix the body, and I'm gonna post this in my repo. Or for example, not delete because this is very important email. Maybe containing that's a better one to delete. I can change the hmm, um from, yeah, I can say that give me the email, give if they found, for example, if even if it's not correct, to say that it's not strongly typed is just something that AI will interpret. Seems like nothing from that. That okay. From university. Fucking. This one luckily not have something from university because this is not my. Let's just take something like actually yeah this one. No, should not take this one actually because one the one in which you have conversational email most of the time because I had a problem with parsing. I I didn't have a problem with parsing the emails with I would say HTML, but I it's kind of not the thing that I want to do actually. But this one is not the most interesting, so I would have to do with another account. And when I do with another account, so that's one better. Bear with me some minutes, please. Bear with me. So I will local account. Okay. Ah, okay. Give me an email with university. Let's hope we find one. If it's not working, no worries. If this command works, we are happy. If it doesn't work, also no worries, guys. It's possible that it doesn't work because most of the time it takes the. Let's check what's going on behind the scenes. Okay. You see this command is run and we don't know what was the output. Yeah, but let's check back. Maybe the AI responded, but we don't see any response. Any response. So, oh no, no, no. Okay. So, hmm. Okay. Um, containing. I think university related. That's better. I don't know. Like if you know like uh, the more you work with it, no email found. But actually, I think that max 10, say max 2. Before there were some email that were found and failed to send you an email. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Let's just say and send an email, send an email to yeah. So email successfully sent. Beautiful. Imagine what the heck. This is not even strongly typed. I will tell you this is just something that is how to say it's not strongly typed. And for example, let's say telling that I love him. Okay. But actually the data won't change. But when you go to gmail.com, okay, you see, I love you. Yeah. So that's all of it. And I think that you will enjoy this kind of stuff and you do this same thing in your free time. Actually, the job market is not fair nowadays. Just keep it up, keep learning, keep doing new stuff, keep being friends with AI, and I will see you soon.